If you love plants, an aloe vera plant should be in your home. Moreover, this versatile plant is quite inexpensive. Although aloe vera does a lot for your interior decor, this plant also does a lot for your health. It is not without reason that the plant is called the miracle plant. This plant is useful for many purposes. Aloe vera has a moisturizing and cooling effect when you apply it to your skin. Therefore, the gel from the plant works perfectly on sunburned skin. Not surprisingly, many sunburn products contain aloe vera. Do you suffer from dandruff? Then you can fix this with a homemade aloe vera hair mask. Put this gel in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of conditioner, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and coconut oil. Spread the mask on your scalp. Your dandruff will improve and may even disappear completely. Aloe vera contains many minerals and has an antibacterial effect. As a result, the gel of the plant also helps to get rid of pimples. You can easily make your own face wash with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera can heal wounds faster and reduce scars. According to research, the juice of an aloe vera plant is said to make small wounds heal a lot faster. If you have sensitive skin, it can be very hard to find a makeup remover that doesn't sting. Look no further for a makeup remover. Put some plant gel on a cotton pad and gently massage it into your skin. You can then easily remove your makeup.